Hello friends, it's day 29 of me talking in English. Today I have to today I have no work and I am going to show you what that work is actually installing a OS in a corrupted old PC. So this is a bit complex to do because we tried it so many times and today I have to complete it because customer is how do I say the customer is pushing us to fix that piece as soon as possible. So yeah, um, what I want to install a Windows 7 OS. Currently, I'm copying the file in boot drive. So after that, I have to complete it. Guys, the current went off. Now I have to restart everything again. So guys, successfully extracted and copied that in this USB driver, and all I now have to do is plug that in here, and install the OS. This is the main problem now, actually. So yeah, I will show you everything through. So again, current guys. What? What should I do now? Uh, So guys, finally current came. So I plugged everything in, plugged here and turned on the. Then now all I have to do is click the F1 and boot, select driver as disk. Now all we have left is clicking the F10 to save and run the PC.